In this tutorial, we are going to cover the banner areas. In Inspector, on the right-hand side, you will see the top button is Theme the Banner. First, we have the banner application, and we also have the home screen banner. When you first open up this button, you'll be in the application banner. That is this darkened area at the top of the screen on your device. These are the indicators that you will find on your device: battery meter, signal meter, alarm icon, the Wi-Fi signal meter, the new icon, items, and unread icons. So as we move over to your device, you have the battery, signal, Wi-Fi, unread items, and your new items, and your alarm. So that's what that is covering. Below this, you also have a visibility. This allows you to deselect or select what you want to see in that banner area. Now in the application banner, you're restricted to this size. So what's in that blackened area right now, you must keep all of these banner items within that area. If you move these outside, if we go back over in the inspector and click reposition and locate one of these down here, say, when you go to put this into the simulator or to export it, you will get an error saying that it is outside the boundaries. So we will just click and put that back in there for now, and then click on the reposition. Now we also have the home screen, and it is also in the darkened area. Same thing, you have your indicators and your visibility. So this is the two areas in the banners. What I do suggest, and what I always prefer to do, is to move over in the inspector and click full screen on this banner. In the home screen banner, you can move these items anywhere you want within that 480/360 area on the screen. In the application banner, as you can see, we don't have that full screen option. Now just to let you know, in the application banner, you will see this banner in your application screen, and you will see it in your incoming call screen, as well as your active call screen. If you go back into the home screen banner, you will find this located on your home screen, obviously, and once again on your lock screen. So the adjustments you make in these banner areas, you'll want to check this out in the other screens that it's going to affect to make sure that the coloring, the positioning, and everything is going to work well, because as you go through your different wallpapers, you'll find that some things start disappearing because they're too close to the same color as your background. So you have to be kind of careful and just check all the screens that it's going to affect before you make those decisions. And this is something you will just learn over time as to what will and will not work. Now, my preference is to eliminate this background, this shaded background in both of these banner areas. In the tips and tricks section, I have put in a transparent icon Pong. It is a zip file, so if you download that and unzip it, it is a transparent Pong that will allow you to eliminate this shaded area. And the reason I choose to do this is because it hides part of my wallpaper that I so carefully chose. So to demonstrate how that works, you would just go into the background in the banner application and click on that banner application Pong. And when you do that, you can go into your documents wherever you may have put that. In my case, it's in my icon current pack, and you see the trans icon. I double click on it, and voila, the background is gone. I also do this again in the home screen area as well. So I would double click on it. Now, as you can see, if I go back into the application screen and I go to the applications, you can see that that top part is rather clear now, and as you can go into the incoming call, it's cleared up. The active calls thing at the bottom, and if you go back up and go to the home screen, you can see now that you have a full wallpaper as well as in the lock screen. So that is just a quick introduction to the banner area. You can reposition these items. Due to YouTube's limitation on the time frame, I'm going to stop this video at this point in time, and we will pick up in part 2 and show you a little bit about selecting and repositioning in the banner area.